So the first one is Vigo Augustine. It's like if you are here, you can unmute and then say. If not, just I will continue.
Hi, good morning, good afternoon.
Hello.
So for me, I've spent most of yesterday going through the references section of the website, trying to wrap my head around the sea of information available. And for me, I think my challenge was the Twitter challenge because instead of taking my time to go through the code and everything, I kind of took a deep dive in trying to solve everything at a go. And then after going around in circles, I got to a point I realized it's kind of hard trying to fix code you didn't write yourself or you haven't taken time to read through it. So I took a break from the code last night and I got up this morning and started reading it line by line to see how the methods fit in to like the code blocks make everything work. And it kind of made sense. Like you see an error, filtered tweet is not defined, and you know, oh, filtered tweet is supposed to be in the sentiment method or the clean method. So for me, it's just been trying to read the code to understand it like I'm the one who wrote it from scratch. So it's easier to debug. Yeah, I think that's about it.
Thanks a lot. Okay, so next is Nahom Nuguse. If you are here, you can unmute and just answer the 3 questions.
I don't see him in the list.
Okay, so and next is if I mispronounce your name, please. I'm very sorry, but Celestine Kuhangan. So I will just probably list also just in the order, like in the chat. So if not, Joy.
Joy Kwamboka is here in the chat.
Is she here? So unmute and you can say, just you can try to answer the 3 questions. What have you done? What you plan to do, or what you want to do, and then what are your challenges?
Can you hear me?
Yes, we do.
Hello?
Yes, we do hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we do hear you.
Okay, so I've done a bit of the challenges. Starting with the tutorial we had at 12 Kenyan time, 12 p.m. So I've been able to do some of it. I think majority of it. So I've been learning. I can't say it's been quite a challenge, but I've been learning, and coming to Twitter mining, it's a huge challenge, but I think I'm learning because I'm being given tips on Slack. So it's a bit tough because I don't really understand the code, but I think with the tips I'm given from Slack, I'll be able to finish the challenge.
Great, thank you.
Great.
So Jocelyn, if you are here, just unmute yourself and try answer the 3 questions.
Jocelyn Chemotai.
Yes, I'm here. Can you hear me well?
We do.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, so for me, it's been quite an experience. I finished on the first challenge actually, and the problem is on the second challenge, that is the Twitter challenge. So I was asking if someone can be able to work with it using Art Studio, that is connecting Python with Art Studio, or is it a must to be Python and Twitter API?
Okay, so the next is Olashore Tiasunini.
Good morning, everyone. Please, can you hear me?
Yes, we do.
All right. Okay, I had to go fetch my earpiece, so I missed some points. So I want to know what to say, like the question.
So just what have you done? It's really more of like, take it as more an opportunity to say, okay, what have you done, what you plan to do, and what are your challenges?
Okay. All right. So since yesterday, I've been working on the first challenge. So I had to take a break because I spent all my whole day doing it. So I had to wake up early this morning. So I'm done with the first challenge now. So my challenge now is the second challenge, which is the Twitter. I've checked all through it, and it's seeming kind of complex because I've not even been able to get my developers access from Twitter, and that's the first part. Then some thank God I've been able to ask questions on Slack, and people have been responding. But my issues now, the main issue I have is that I'm trying to import some libraries, but they're not important. Like I was trying to import the Tweety and the NLTK, but I don't know. It just keeps telling me that it's giving me an error. So I think that's just the challenge I'm having this morning. Thank you.
Thanks. And so next is Rafia Adeshina. You are here.
Rafia Adeshina. Person is logged in right now.
Okay. Rafia, if you are here, just unmute yourself and if not, we can go to Charlene Mokeli.
Hello.
Hello.
So far, I did the first challenge, the one we were taken through by Jean, and then currently I'm doing the Twitter one, although it's quite challenging, and yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Yeah, so far so good. Loving the experience.
So next, Abdusalam Tata, if you are here, just unmute yourself. Okay, or Natnan Sharao, if you are here. So maybe just then I will just say from the screen that I can see just on top of my screens. So I can see Olusola.
Yes.
So can you unmute and just...
Yeah, my name is Olushola Timothy. I can hear you. The thing is that from the challenge for Twitter that I faced yesterday, actually I was not able to go through the code yet. But the first challenge, I'm through with that one. But the second one for Twitter stuff, actually I don't. When I was signing up for developer account for Twitter yesterday, I'm just receiving the same response that which organization I say 10 Academy, which who is the instructor, I say Babe. So they kept asking me the same question. I replied them 4 times yesterday. Even I'm blessed as in they just keep sending me the same message. So I don't even know what to do again. So now I am not able to do that thing.
Okay. I also received that request. So what we try to do is that to also prepare a template such that it can help everyone to write those messages back, just saying like, okay, we're doing this tutorial and, doing some machine learning, and we want this account. So we'll try to get a template so that everyone can use just to reply, or fill those things. We should have done that. We didn't know that. So, but we will try to get that. Okay. So, and then next is, where is my screen? Emmanuel? Patrick? Oh, Emmanuel is not there, probably.
Emmanuel is here. Is it me? Hello, good.
Yes, we do hear you.
Okay, good morning, everyone. It has been really challenging working with the Twitter API. I've started working with it since yesterday. I've made progress actually with understanding what the API is about, the code is about, because I have developer assets already. So, but the problem was when trying to query. I understand. I'm moving a little bit. What I want to do now is work on that cursor and try to be able to stream the data one by one, so it will just be processed. That's just what I'm working on now.
Great. So we have 1 more minute. So I will just give 1%. Just maybe I will give Arun Orja just to pick, just because in my screen it's you are the 2 ones that are there.
You want one of us to go? Okay, let's have somebody from Rwanda. The first person who speaks up from Rwanda. I don't think we've had any Rwandese. Any Rwandese on the call? No? Any Ghanaians?
Yes.
Yes, there's a Ghanaian.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Ayabela, please go ahead.
All right, cool. So good morning from Ghana. So yesterday's session, I had internet challenges, so I didn't really participate in all. So in the evening, my network was a bit better, so I went through the materials on OneDrive and trying to go through what was supposed to be done from the website. So I was able to do the quiz for the day, and I've also started looking at the challenge, the Twitter challenge. So I'm hoping that I'll finish that today as well. And today I hope that my internet will be quite good and I'll be able to participate in all the sessions so that I don't miss out on anything. Yeah, but I think it's been interesting so far.
And there was a lady from Ghana as well. I didn't catch the name, but please, the lady from Ghana who was speaking before. And that'll be the last one, I think.
Good morning. My name is Eton. I'm from Ghana. And I must say, honestly, yesterday, at the start of everything, I was completely confused. But then later in the day, I took my time to go through all the materials on Google Drive. And then I was able to get it, the Jupyter. I'm still working on that challenge. But then for the Twitter, I've not been approved yet for the developer account. Yes, so I'm still waiting on that. But then for now, I think I'm better than yesterday in the morning. Yes, so it's been good. And I also appreciate how we are sharing ideas, because that was very helpful to me. Thank you.
Just to underline what Yeva said before, there's no need to sign up for Twitter or developer access at this point. He's provided the data. Everyone can use that data.
Okay,
so nobody
sure.
should be waiting anymore for Twitter developer access. If you find it, great, but don't let that be a blocking point.
Okay, thank you.
Wonderful. So now comes to self-learning and self-exploration. So we'll catch up again in 1 hour probably, and that would be for the tutorial session with Sebastian. And ciao everyone, till then.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.